Okay, welcome back, everybody. Section 2.2. We're going to go over some practice problems. Go ahead and practice with our product and quotient rules. So for y, we have y equals x cubed plus 7x minus 1, 5x plus 2. All right, so we have two functions multiplying each other. We want to find the derivative of this, right? We want to find y prime. We have two functions multiplying each other, so this means we're going to use the product rule. Okay, so remember with the product rule, it is f times g prime plus g times f prime. Okay, so we got to find our f and we got to find our g primes. So we'll just go through this normally. So change some colors a bit, but we're gonna have our f is our first one, and g is always our second one. So I have f equals x cubed plus 7x minus 1. And so the derivative of that, f prime, is 3x squared plus 7. All right. And my g is 5x plus 2, and g prime is just 5. All right. So what I got to do now is just plug it all into my formula right here, and we should be good to go. So y prime is f, which is x cubed plus 7x minus 1 times g prime, which is 5, plus g, which is 5x plus 2 times f prime, which is 3x squared plus 7. All right. And that is our setup. And we could simplify a little bit more by distributing it in this 5, maybe. It's up to you. We could do that. But what you end up with is 5x cubed plus 35x minus 5 plus, and I don't want to FOIL this all out, right? So this is okay. So okay to leave like this, right? All I want is a setup. I just want this correct setup and you should be good to go. We don't need to worry about all the algebra uh, specifics, okay? So that's good. Let's move on to number 2 now. So number 2 is y equals x to the negative 2 times 4 plus 3x to the negative 3. So once again, we have two functions being multiplied each other. We want to find the derivative. So once again, it's the product rule. Okay, so product rule. And so we have to have f and g and their derivatives. So we're going to have f equals, once again, this is f, that's g, x to the negative 2. Let me rewrite that. X to the negative 2. And so the derivative of this, right, the negative 2 comes down. We subtract 1 from it. So this becomes negative 2x to the negative 3. All right. And likewise, we have g, which is 4 plus 3x to the negative 3. The derivative of this is the 4 goes away. It's just a constant. And the negative 3 drops down, and I subtract 1. So this becomes, I'll kind of write this out a little bit, but 3 times negative 3x to the negative 4, which is just negative 9x to the negative 4. And those are our f and g and their primes. So let's go ahead and put all these in the derivative. So what we'll have is y prime equals f, which is x to the negative 2, times g prime, which is negative 9x to the negative 4, plus g, which is 4 plus 3x to the negative 3, times f prime, which is negative 2x to the negative 3. All right, so you can simplify this out a bit. You can multiply that. So this would be like negative 9x to the negative 6, right? Plus, you could distribute in that in there, and you get, should be minus 8x to the negative 3 minus 6x to the negative 6. So we have a couple like terms here, negative 9x, negative 6x to the negative 6. So what we end up getting is negative 15x to the negative 6 minus 8x to the negative 3. Okay, and that's the answer, right? That's us simplifying it. But once again, I'm just more interested in you getting the setup correct. So this would be okay to have as well. If you could leave it like this, that's still considered correct, okay? Um, I'm not too interested in all the algebra it takes to simplify, okay? So as long as your setup's good. Okay, let's check out number 3. So number 3 now, we have y equals 2 plus x squared over x plus 1. So we have two functions being divided, right? And we want to find the derivative. So this type of rule that we would use, this new tool, would be a quotient rule. Okay, and recall that a quotient rule is going to be, g times f prime minus f times g prime all over g squared. Okay, so we gotta, like the product rule before, we gotta find f, g, and their respective derivatives. So once again, it's always the top one is f and the bottom one is g. So we'll go out to the side and figure out those. So I know f equals 2 plus x squared, and the derivative of that is just going to be 2x. Okay, 2 goes away, the 2 drops down. Okay, so that means g is just x plus 1, and the derivative of this is just going to be 1, right? Because this goes away, and think about invisible 1 right there, and the x just drops. So you're left with just the 1. Okay, so if you put this all together, what we end up with, right, is y prime equals g, which is x plus 1, times f prime, which is 2x, minus f, which is 2 plus x squared, times g prime, which is just 1, all over g squared, which is x plus 1 squared. Okay, so once again, this is a correct setup. If you leave it like this, I'm definitely okay with it, but you can simplify a little bit to your heart's desire. So what you can do is just distribute in this 2x, distribute in this 1, but then it'll just be the same thing. But what you end up with is 2x, 2x squared plus 2x minus 2 minus x squared. Let me kind of say where I got the negative from, but yeah, this negative is distributing, and it's just 1 times 1, or it's just times 1, so it's the same exact thing. All right, so then you end up with x plus 1 squared, right? And I guess some simplifying can be done a little bit more. We have like terms like x squared and x squared, but it's really all you could really do. So this becomes x squared plus 2x minus 2 all over x plus 1 squared. All right, and that's the answer. Okay, but once again, having this set up is okay with me if you leave it like that. All right, last one. We have 4, which is 4x equals x squared over 3x minus 1. Same exact thing. We're going to use a product rule here because we have two functions dividing each other. and we want to take a derivative, so quotient rule. But okay, so same thing, we got to find our f g prime. So we know f is the top one, g is the bottom one, right? So f is x squared, f prime is 2x, g is 3x minus 1, and g prime is 3. All right, so putting these all together, right? So this becomes f prime of x equals, right? The quotient rule is g times f prime minus f times g prime over g squared. So this just becomes g, which is 3x minus 1 times f prime, which is 2x minus f, which is x squared, times g prime, which is 3, all over 3x minus 1 squared. Okay, so give it a shot. Try and simplify this for a minute or two, and then we'll come back and look at the solution. Okay, welcome back. So hopefully you simplify this correctly. But once again, all you have to do is attribute in this 2x into here and combine this x squared and 3. So you get 6x squared minus 2x, and then minus 3x squared. You combine these like terms. 6 minus 3 is 3. So you get 3x squared minus 2x all over 3x minus 1 squared. All right, but once again, leaving it like this is okay. All right, that's okay with me. Don't get too lost in the algebra. But hopefully you did that simplification right if that was your goal. But that's it for this section. We'll see you next time. Thank you.